Hello gentlemen, this is Showman from Oil and Gas Field Quality Control. Technology is getting advanced. Not only the technology, it is including now AI in every aspects. So we have discussed a lot about pigging in my channel. So today we will discuss the newest technology which is considered to be beyond pigging, the advanced in-situ pipeline cleaning and inspection technologies. Let us start. The future of traditional pigging, the problem and solution with traditional pigging. Imagine your pipeline silently degrading, unseen threats lurking beneath the surface. Traditional pigging methods might miss critical anomalies, leading to catastrophic failures and costly downtime. But what if there was a way to guarantee pipeline integrity, detect problems before they become disasters, all without disrupting your operations? We are dividing into revolutionary technologies that are changing pipeline maintenance forever. Now, curiosity is the mother of invention. Forget everything you thought you knew about the keeping pipelines clean. The old pig in a pipe approach is becoming a relic as we embrace a new era of in situ inspection. What if you could pinpoint tiny cracks and corrosion from miles away, or even clear blockages without ever stopping flow? Now we will discover this type of newest technology. The future of pipeline management is not just arriving, it is already here. It is far beyond traditional pigging. Picture a world where pipelines self-monitor, identify issues with pinpoint accuracy, and maintenance optimal flow 24/7. Let us explore today the cutting-edge innovation in situ cleaning and inspection. There are only extending pipeline lifespans but redefining the operational efficiency and safety in 2026 and beyond. The end of traditional pigging. Let us discuss limitations of traditional pigging, why we need to change it. When a technology is running for years, why we need to change it. Traditional pipeline pigging, which is actually early 20th century it is invented, involved forcing a cleaning or utility tool or pig through a pipeline using product flow to remove debris, paraffin wax and liquids. While fundamental to pipeline maintenance, these traditional methods such as foam and mechanical cup pigs face significant limitations in modern and complex pipeline network, like risk of becoming stuck, inability to navigate tight bends, tees or verifying diameters, lack of real-time data. Assemble peaked with cups and seals can experience also product bypass, where fluid flows around the tool, resulting in failure to move forward and inadequate cleaning. The insertion and removal of pig involves handling high pressure media. This is also a safety risk. Now, gradually we are shifting from traditional pig to smart pig. Initially used purely for removing paraffin wax in pipeline pigging. The technology evolved in smart or intelligent pigs now around 1960 to perform inline inspection using magnetic flux leakage, which we are telling in short is MFL. The smart pigs are common today. Traditional non-instrumented cleaning pigs, foam, solid cast, mandrel, of course it is also necessary daily operations to prepare lines for intelligent inspection. But smart pigging also, in addition, we need to do it now. To overcome these limitations of the traditional pigging, the industry is adopting now speed control pigs, tools designed to maintain a consistent velocity even in high pressure or variable flow environment. Specialized pig like ice pigging, utilizing non-abrasive semi-solid material that can navigate complex bends and remove more debris than traditional method. And then bypass pig, designed with channels to allow fluid to pass through the pig, preventing excessive build-up in front of reducing the risk of clogging. Now, in situ or in its original place represents a major change in the industrial maintenance, engineering and environmental management, moving away from traditional, disruptive and costly out-of-service method. In-situ technologies enable cleaning, monitoring and inspection to occur while equipment is fully operational or in its natural environment. In-situ is also referred as in-service inspection, converts maintenance to a continuous process without any shutdown. So what are the benefits of this newest technology? Zero or minimal downtime, increases production capacity by keeping equipment running. There is no stock of pig anymore with this new technology. Cost efficiency eliminates the transportation, disassembly and reassembly labor. Enhanced safety reduces risk to production by minimizing the need of manual intervention in hazardous confined spaces. Consistency and quality. Automated in-situ process provide more reproducible and reliable results compared to manual or offline method. Now, in-situ cleaning, inspection and repair. So far during maintenance, total system required to shut down completely, disassembling it, moving parts to workshop, cleaning and repairing them and reassembling them. But for in-situ changes this to continuous operation, zero disassembly and proactive reliability I discussed already. The key areas of application, where do we apply? In-situ cleaning is cleaning in place in the food and pharmaceutical industries to clean the internal surfaces of pipes, tanks, vessels without disassembly, reducing contamination risk and downtime. And in-situ inspection, non-destructive testing, utilizing robotics, sensor and AI to monitor the corrosion and structural integrity of active assets like tank floors, offshore pipelines, etc. In-situ technology for machining and repair, specialized, portable, automated or robotic tools are deployed to perform on-site machining such as boring, milling, welding and avoiding logistic hassles to move heavy machinery. Then finally, in-situ environmental remediation, treating contaminants in ground oil or soil directly at the site of contamination rather than excavating and transporting the materials. Now, robotics and AI, how we integrated with this newest technology. Advanced smart robotic rollers on pig, which is also in popularly we are terming as ILI. Traditional rigid dumb pigs are being replaced by intelligent pig, I told you, and advanced tethered and untethered robots that can navigate complex and previously unpiggable pipelines. These can traverse any part of a pipeline, conducting, cleaning and repairing in a single run. Then amphibious and bio-inspired robot designed to move through liquid or semi-wet environment, handling irregular surface and tight bends. Then tri-stream MFL and ultrasonic tools. These tools provide 360-degree ultra high resolution data measuring all three magnetic field vectors, axial, radial and circumferential, to accurately detect, map and size defects. Now, non-destructive testing or NDT innovations in the field applying this AI technology and robotics technology. Cutting-edge NDT technique allow the detailed internal and external inspection without needing to excavate or take pipes out of service. Electromagnetic acoustic transducer EMAT. These tools detect axial cracks and metal loss without the need for a liquid couplant, making them ideal for gas pipelines. Then metal magnetic memory, which is MMM, identifies early stage stress and fatigue in ferromagnetic material by identifying magnetic field distortions, allowing for detection before defects become critical. Then the guided wave ultrasonic testing like GWT uses sound waves to detect wall thinning, cracks and corrosion over long distances from a single access point. Data analytics in turning inspection from a post-operation report into a live predictive and intelligent system. Predictive maintenance is you predict something and maintain before it happens. Machine learning algorithms analyze historical inspection data to predict where leaks and corrosion will occur, allowing for predictive rather than reactive repairs. AI-powered data interpretation. AI can analyze vast data sheets from inspections, reducing the time needed for manual reviews and improving the accuracy of anomaly detection. Real-time damage assessment. Operators can receive in real-time high-definition images, 360-degree panoramic views, and 3D modeling of the pipeline internal state. So you can visually see the defects in a very practical way so that you can visualize the defect, their locations, their orientations, etc. Advanced cleaning technologies which is not intrusive. Model cleaning tools are designed to work in conjunction with inspection tool to ensure accurate data collection without blocking the line. Specialized gel pig, chemical high velocity pigs are used in pipeline with varying diameter or extremely tight bends to remove debris, acting as a liquid pig that cannot get stuck. Where it required, it is contracting, and where it is required, it is expanding as per the diameter of the pipeline and the bends area. High pressure hydrojetting and robotic cutters. These tools are deployed to remove stubborn scale, roots and protruding taps from inside the pipe. Future proofing hydrogen and carbon dioxide pipeline. As the energy landscape shifts, the new inspection technologies are being developed for 2026 to handle new material and contaminants such as hydrogen and carbon dioxide transport pipeline, which require different integrity approaches than traditional oil and gas lines. Here I put a table for you to summarize our discussions today. You can see the traditional versus advanced technology. What is the difference? In the field of inspection, traditional methods are manual, periodic and disruptive, whereas the advanced technologies which is being implemented 2026 and beyond, robotic, continuous and in-service inspection, data quality. Before it was low resolution data and very basic data. Nowadays you can get high resolution 3D mapping and AI processed data. Unpiggable lines requires excavation in the traditional method, but advanced technology, it has specialized and flexible robots. I told you gel pigs which can change their diameter based on the requirement. And cleaning. In the field of cleaning, the traditional method was simple scraping, risk of blockage. Pig can be stuck, and advanced technology, the chemical or gel pigs and robotic cutters are there to remove the blockage. Maintenance, reactive, after failure. Before we do, after failure, any type of maintenance. Nowadays it is predictive, before failure we can do this. So these technologies collectively offer a reduction in inspection cost by 30%, 50% decrease in time required for assessment and 40% drop in hazardous work related accident. This video was not directly to any subject. This is a kind of future innovations. Hope you guys gain some knowledge from it. So please, if you like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe my channel. Signing off for today, Showman.